We love CNC machining, but between making a lot of parts, running a training program, having interns, all the tool testing that we're doing with Proven Cut, and just being human, we make our share of mistakes. Here are some bloopers, machine crashes, tool breakages, and other anecdotes from our machining endeavors. Enjoy, folks.
Why was that tool 32? What the f?
Take 3, I'm just gonna slow it down a bunch and turn the coolant up a bunch and f it.
You sure you're not running it backwards somehow?
I mean, I don't think so.
It's kind of acting and sounding like it.
Run
it one more time. Let me see. Let me see what it does.
Just like regular?
Yeah.
It might buff, it might not.
It'll buff.
It'll buff.
It'll buff.
It better buff, this took forever.
What the hell? The camera's acting crazy on me. There it goes. Well, that's beautiful.
Oh, are these welded? Never seen one like that.
Damn it.
Thing.
Damn it. I lied, I picked the wrong hole.
You'll notice that this is incorrectly modeled in Fusion. That's because Fusion doesn't let... It's going to crash on me.
Nope. What? Did I not probe Z? I didn't probe Z. Well, there's the probe. What the f, man?
Here we go, under an awning of a gas station.
That was awesome. So we are stuck. There was about 3 feet of snow, and the rumor is there are trees down on the rail lines, which the Swiss don't care to fix because it's the train going to Italy. I need an official NTMA statement on the matter.
It is Thursday,
April
4th, and we are in the Alps.
Italy.
We're in the Alps somewhere.
One-handed with a beer. That is an actual operational gas station.
We are in big trouble if anybody wants to fill up their tank.
Yeah.
Good to go, ma'am.
Well, I took an aggressive corner.
Let me see your war bill, sir. War bill. Out, Rob. You scream first, then give me time to scream. Something like that. I don't know. It's perfect. Now, onto the meat and potatoes. This is never going to be in there. We'll be on interesting fixturing and... So, let's go on over to the lathe and get started. To the lathe. I don't like saying to the lathe. To the lathe. We're gonna go to the lathe, Janae. I'm ready for my close-up. Last time you saw us making I don't remember what, and making some... Today we'll be wrapping up the... First up, we'll be making these... Why am I pointing with my fingers when I have a pointer? Good God. On the manual lathe and on the... Done on the manual lathe. We have some angular, what are they called? B-roll, 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 B-roll for your B-hole. Behold the B-roll. Are you happy, Chris? I have some form of badgification now, if not hand embroidered on the lab coat. This is just for you. We love you. Again, pointing with my hand rather than the pointer because It's only 6, but I still want to go to sleep. Upper and lower A-arms. No, A-frames. A-arms are a different part of the robot. There's one of everything you can name in this thing. Today we'll be showing you guys how we made the upper and lower A-frames. I don't like that noise. Please don't, no. Oh, the cradle base, which all of the, and we can get some B-roll for this, for everyone's B-hole. Whatever we had around, whatever I could find to get this thing bent up. No, it's too much. And notch the side tube, no, shit. That's enough. That's all you're getting. Sorry.
Hope you folks enjoyed. I'd say I hope you learned something, but you probably didn't. Here's my parting advice. There's kind of 3 things that I found that really bite you. Number 1, make sure you have your tool heights correct. That's probably the most devastating type of crash. Number 2, double check your coordinate systems. Nothing worse than having the wrong coordinate system in your cam and when you find it or set it up on your part. And number 3, work holding is really important. Take care, folks. See you soon. Number 1, make sure you have a tool height in your control. Make sure you have your tool height offsite. And other snippets from our adventures in the ironically, we're just making more content here.